Hey, this is Rush. In this quick video, I want to talk to you about how to find fast USA suppliers that will ship to your customers using the United States Postal Service. With this, you can be sure that these products are actually sitting in a US warehouse and not being shipped from China, for example. So from Sell the Trend, all you have to do is click on the USA shipping menu item here. And now you'll get a full page of winning products that ship from the United States using USPS. And the shipping times for these are really great, as low as 4-day shipping. Now, as you can see here, it says all products on this page have a supplier with fast USA shipping through USPS. To see more products with all shipping methods, you click here. So if you want to see more products that have different shipping methods from the US, not USPS, like FedEx and some of these other shipping methods as well, then you can click on here and you'll get more product options. But these products might not have this fast USPS local shipping. Now, let's look at one of these products here and see what we're talking about. Let's look at this product here. And let's look at the supplier section. Let's go to the bottom to the supplier section. And then we can see here that this product has 3 suppliers that ship from the US. You can see here by this US flag. And let's click on one of them. So we're here on Aliexpress. Let's select this. Let's select United States. And as you can see here, it says 4 to 13-day shipping, United States Postal Service. So let's come back here to Sell the Trend. And let's take this to the next level up. So let's click on the filter here. And you can find this same fast USA USPS shipping method using the filters. You didn't really have to actually click on US shipping here. This is just a convenient way to get to that page. But you can actually have clicked on any of these Nexus or even AliExpress explorers and get to this USPS fast shipping option. So if we click on filters, we can select United States. Now, like I said, let's take this to the next level up. We also added free shipping filter here. So let's click on this. And now what we are looking for here is we are looking for products that are going to ship from the States using the USPS fast method, as well as has free shipping. So these products, once I click on apply here, these products now are going to be the best really for your bottom line, because you are going to get fast USA shipping products as well as products that have free shipping. So let's look at this product here, for example. And let's go to the suppliers. So this product has one supplier that ships to the US. Let's click on that. Let's go to AliExpress. Select this, select United States. And as you can see here, 4 to 13-day delivery, USPS, and free shipping. So this is a great way for you to find products that are really going to impact your bottom line in a very positive way. You're finding fast USA shipping products, as well as products that are going to have 0 shipping costs. So you can really maximize your profit margins here. Now, this is also available in some of our other explorers. And again, all you have to do is click on the filters, select has free shipping, select United States, or you can also select anything and has free shipping, and you will also find products that ship from international locations that have free shipping. Now, you can accomplish something similar here directly by going to AliExpress. Let's just pick any category here, and let's select ships from United States and has free shipping. Now, of course, you are not going to get winning products here. You're just going to get some random AliExpress products. And there's also no guarantee that the US shipping option that you see on these products is actually going to be USPS fast shipping option. It's just going to be whatever US shipping options there is. And some of these US shipping options, they're not actually going to be shipping from a US warehouse. Unlike what you can find obviously on Sell the Trend, where not only are you getting actual winning products, but also you have our 26 unique data points that is going to guarantee you that when you see a product on Sell the Trend and when it has something like an excellent rating or a great rating, you know that this product is actually going to sell when you add it to your store. So that's it. Just wanted to take you through this quick video to go through the fast and free shipping options and filters that we added to Sell the Trend.